Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to rotate PDF on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. First things first, open any Google Chrome web browser you have on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the website we'll be using for this tutorial. You can find the link in the description below. Step 2. Once the website loads, you'll see an option that says Select PDF Files. Alternatively, you can also drag your files directly into the designated area. For this tutorial, we'll click on Select PDF Files. Step 3. Now it's time to find the PDF you want to rotate. Navigate to your storage, locate the file, and once you find it, select it and click Open. This action will upload your file to the website. Step 4. In the rotation section, you'll have the option to rotate your PDF to the right or to the left. Choose the direction you need. If you decide you want to start over, simply click on Reset All to revert to the original settings. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with how your PDF looks, go ahead and click on Rotate PDF. This will initiate the rotation process. Step 6. After the rotation is complete, you'll see a button that says Download Rotated PDF. Click on it, and this will save the newly rotated file directly onto your device. Finally, once the download is complete, open the file to check how it looks. Make sure everything is just the way you want it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your time.